Good morning, student. So today we will start lesson number 9 in English grammar, that is articles. The words a, an, and the are the missing from the conversation. This is a conversation in which articles are missing. And what are called articles? A, an, and the are called articles. Okay. Now a and an. We use a before a noun or adjective beginning with a consonant sound, just like a book, a cat. We use an before a noun or adjective beginning with a vowel sound. Example, an owl, an old man. Listen, as you all know that there are 26 letters in alphabets, in English alphabet. In these 26 alphabets, there are 5 vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Vowel are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowel, and except all these, all are consonant. Only these 5 are vowel and remaining are the consonant. So the use of A is always before the consonant sound, and the use of an is always before the vowel sound. Actually, the word started with these words, just like owl, O, old man, O, and apple, E. Okay. Now, the use of the. Let us look at the uses of the. We use the before words when we mention them in the second time. We are using the word the if we are using it for the second time. I bought an umbrella. The umbrella is huge, because in this sentence after full stop we are talking about the umbrella. That's why we had used here the. We use the to talk about the things that are the only one in number. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. As you all know that sun is only one and the sky is only one. That's why we had used here the. We use the to talk about particular people, animal, or things that we know about. And we also use the about before a particular person, people. Just like, can you pass me the book with the pink cover? It is, we are talking about a particular book. That's why we had written here the. Okay. Now come to page number 42. More uses of the. There are some rules where we use the. We write the before the name of the ocean, river, mountain ranges like Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Gangas, the Alps. We write the before the names of the famous building and the name of some countries, just like Taj Mahal, Eiffel Tower. These are the famous building. United States of America, UK. These are the countries. We write the before the names of the holy books and newspaper, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Times of India, the Mumbai Mirror. We write the before the family names and the name of some profession, the Roys. Just like example, we are calling these are the Sharma's family. So we always use the police, the Simons, the fire brigade, the army. In some places, no article is used. We do not use an article before some words. Below are few such cases. When we talk about people, animal, or thing in general. Cows eat grass. Man is a social animal. Before the names of people, most country and city. Example, India, Mary, Jenny, Sri Lanka, Kolkata. Now come to page number 45. This, that, these, and those. Read this sentence. This is a book. These are the books I want. That is an elephant. Those are camels. That is the elephant I rode yesterday. Those are the camels we rode on yesterday. We use the with singular and plural countable noun. Very important. The use of the is when there is singular and plural countable noun. Countable noun means the things which can be counted. We use the with this, that, these, and those. Now we use a and an with the noun that are singular and countable noun. We use a and with this and that. We only use a and an with singular countable noun. Okay, so this is the rule about the about this, that, and these, those. Hope you understand and try to fill up the blanks. Thank you.